Java offers a variety of operators to cater to different needs, and they are categorized based on their functionalities. This channel aims to explore Java operators comprehensively, covering all their types. 1. Arithmetic operators. Perform basic arithmetic operations. Examples: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Int a equals 10, b equals 5. Int sum equals a plus b, this is addition. Int difference equals a, b, this is subtraction. Int product equals a asterisk b, this is multiplication. Int quotient equals a, b, this is division. Int remainder equals a percent b, this is modulus. 2. Comparison operators. Compare two values and return a Boolean result. Examples: equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Int x equals 5, y equals 10. Boolean is equals, x equals y, this is equal to. Boolean not equals x equals y, this is not equal to. Boolean greater than equals x greater than y, this is greater than. 3. Logical operators. Perform logical operations and return a Boolean result. Examples: and, or, not. Boolean is true equals true, is false equals false. Boolean and result equals is true and is false, this is an. Boolean or result equals is true, is false, this is or. Boolean not result equals is true, this is not. 4. Assignment operators. Assign values to variables. Examples: assignment, addition assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, division assignment, modulus assignment. Int num equals 10, num plus equals 5, this is equivalent to num equals num plus 5. 5. Increment and decrement operators. Increase or decrease the value of a variable by 1. Examples: increment, decrement. Int count equals 5. Count plus plus, here it is incremented by 1. Count, here it is decremented by 1. 6. Bitwise operators. Perform bit-level operations on integers. Examples: AND, OR, XOR, NOT, left shift, right shift, unsigned right shift. Int a equals 5, b equals 3. Int bitwise n equals a and b, this is bitwise n. Understanding and using these operators are fundamental to writing efficient and expressive Java code. They enable you to perform a wide range of operations, from simple arithmetic to complex logical manipulations. See you again. Thank you.